Today we will review the book. आज हम एक ऐसी बुक का रिव्यू करेंगे जिनके ऑथर हैं बुक साक्षी राम कृपाल जी. टाइटल ऑफ द बुक यू कैन टॉक. नेम ऑफ द पब्लिशर डायमंड बुक्स. प्लेस ऑफ द पब्लिकेशन न्यू दिल्ली. ईयर ऑफ द पब्लिकेशन 2012. इस बुक में 18 चैप्टर है और इनको हम पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 करके करेंगे जिससे कि इस लिमिटेड टाइम में हम आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाए. पार्ट 1 फॉर द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. The greatest discovery of our generation is that you can change your life and destiny by the application of the science of thought power. Thought power is the greatest of all powers we possess. The master secret of the age is the marvelous miracle and making the power found in the subconscious mind. In fact, your life becomes what you think. Great teachers down the age have emphasized the importance of your mind and thought by the power Buddha said. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Ramakrishna Paramhans, the great Indian mystic, said, by the mind one is bound, by the mind one is free. According to the William James, the greatest discovery of our generation is that human beings can alter their life by altering their attitude of mind. In this way, you can master your destiny by mastering your thoughts. However, it is a matter of great misfortune that a vast majority of people do not even know how to apply and use their thoughts, the master powers of the mind. It is just as essential to know how to think correctly and it is know how to speak or act correctly. It is even more painful to know the fact that people go to the great length to avoid thoughts. As pointed out by the Thomas Edison, only very few of the people think. Most of them think that they think, but most of the people on this earth do not even think of thinking. Every thought is a cause and every action or condition created is just and after the effect of the same. Thought is the most vital, substantial and invisible living force that exists in the universe. Thoughts are just as good as living things. Success on the outside begins with success from inside, and if you truly want to profoundly improve the quality of other words, you must first improve your inner world. There is nothing more essential than learning to explore the unlimited hidden potential in your mind and by its effective application because the very best that you want to be and thereby achieve limitless success in life. The law of attraction is the natural law of the universe. It says like attract like. It means when you focus on the particular thought, then you start attracting several other similar thoughts towards you. Thought you have the magnetic power and operate on their specific frequency in the universe. Hence, they attract all the similar thought operating on that frequency and they start affecting you thoroughly. You are the most powerful transmission tower of the universe. It depends on what you want to transmit and attract from the existence. Your present life is the result of what you had desired or thought yesterday, and your future will be shaped by whatever you are thinking today. The essence of science of the thought power is that you get whatever you think about or focus on whatever you want it or you do not want it. All thoughts that match one another line up in the one direction and thought start becoming thing. The intangible converts into the tangibles. Whatever you are thinking about is like planning a future event. When you are appreciating something, you also are planning. When you are worrying about certain things, then also you are planning. Worrying amount to using your imagination to create something which do not want to happen in your life. In this way, every thoughts become an invitation to the cosmos, and nothing can occur in your life without your invitation of a thought power. Furthermore, be sure that there are no expectation to the powerful law of attraction. In this way, in view of the above, take care about what you think. Words do not matter as they are just secondary. Wherever is going on in your mind is just what you attract into your life. The thoughts you think and image you hold. Thoughts enhance my emotion result into the attractions of the same in reality. This means that your thought is magnified by the strength of the emotion behind your thoughts. Emotion play a powerful role in converting thoughts into the reality. Think of a goal for which you have half-hearted passion. It is not going to be help you manifest that goals too fast. But by being fully excited about it emotionally, your desire will be manifest. In other words, if your thoughts are vehicle to move you towards your goal, your emotions are the fuel that give power to the vehicle. If you are responsible for everything in your life at some level, consciously or unconsciously, you attract every person, every job, every idea, every illness, every joy, and every bit of pain into your life. What you think and what you feel always manifest in your life without any expectation to it. It happens when if you do not want it happen. Thank you. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो और जिससे मैं आपके लिए आगे और अच्छी बातों को लाती रहूं। ये जो बुक है ये स्पेशली डिजाइन की गई है बच्चों के लिए और उनको उनके गोल्स तक पहुंचने में, उनके एग्जाम के लिए, उनके करियर को बनाने में आपको मदद करेगी। इसलिए इस बुक को खरीदना है के लिए आप मुझे मेरे नीचे फोन नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं या इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा मेल आईडी भी है, उसमें आप मुझे अपने लिए परचेस करने के लिए ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं। ये बुक आपके बच्चे को 100% गारंटी देती है सक्सेस पाने के लिए। थैंक यू।